As I watch this beautiful morning, I see the goodness of the Lord and how powerful He is. For He not only created the waters and these waters and this water at the back of our house is fish pond. There are lots of fishes and other marine or aquatic animals in it. There are birds flying, and of course, all I can say is that we should praise God with the whole heart, with sincere heart, because God created all the things seen and unseen. So I want to capture this beautiful morning as a reminder that God is a loving God, a loving God, and He is always there for us. We cannot see Him visibly, but we can see Him. But we can see Him in the eyes of our faith. There is a passage in the Bible. Blessed is he who have a clean heart, for they shall see God. So the sunrise is there, and of course, let us thank Him in everything of our lives as we journey in this world. God bless you and have a good day.